Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Morgan. I'm a skincare founder, a wellness lover, and your go-to girl for building routines that actually support your skin. Today, we're breaking down how you can build your skincare routine step by step, especially if you're someone who's a beginner or if you're just trying to get your skin back on track. No confusion, okay? No 10-step skincare routine is necessary. Just simple, effective skincare that actually works. So let's jump right on in. Why does a skincare routine matter? Let's start here. Your skin is your largest organ, okay? It's a living protective barrier that's constantly responding to the environment around you, to your stress, your sleep, your hormones, what you're eating, and what you're putting on it. So when we talk about skincare routines, we're not just talking about trends or aesthetics. We're talking about support, right? So like giving our skin what it needs consistently so it can do its job better. Like, can you imagine? Wait a minute. Wait, let's go back. The skin is the largest organ, right? And it's the only organ that protects all the other organs in our body. So without our skin, we will just melt, okay? So we wanna make sure our skin is, set up right. And I say this all the time, a good routine doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't even have to be expensive. In fact, most people, they actually overdo it, right? Causing just way more harm than good. I'm going to walk you through a foundation that works and how you can customize it from there. Step one is your cleanser. Cleansing is a non-negotiable, okay? You want to start and end your day with clean skin without stripping it. And how you can tell, right? If your skin feels tight after you cleanse, chances are that cleanser may be just too harsh for your skin. Some of my favorite cleansers at the moment, I have the Suzanne Kaufman. This is a cleansing gel. Gels are my favorite types of cleansers. I feel that they are the gentlest? Yeah. It's super hydrating while still feeling like it's giving my skin a good cleanse. I also have the Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser by Allies of Skin. This formula it's great. This is another cleanser that's going to cleanse your skin without necessarily stripping the skin. Two oldies, but very much goodies that you can look into. Now, for nighttime, your cleansing routine can change just a little bit. If you're wearing makeup or SPF, which you should be every day, this is where you could use like an oil-based cleanser or some type of cleansing balm to remove your makeup, almost like a pre-cleansing step before you get to your actual cleanser. I have one that I love. This is the Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm by Elemis. Sometimes I use this as like my cleanser in the daytime because it's so hydrating. Next comes a toner. I was looking for one over here, but I'm traveling at the moment and I only have a little bitty, like travel size one. Toners can be a little confusing and maybe you've heard that you don't necessarily need it. And honestly, everybody doesn't. But personally, I love using a hydrating toner because it helps prep my skin to absorb my next steps a bit better. In your toner, you want to look for ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, aloe. You want to skip those toners with alcohol or just harsh exfoliants, especially if you're new to skincare or you're kind of just building out your routine. Those can sometimes do a little bit more damage than good if you're not sure exactly what you're targeting yet in your routine. I think the safest thing you can do is go for hydrating, moisturizing toners, really products just to, give your skin a healthy baseline to start with. Next is going to be your serum. This is where you can target some specific skin concerns that you're having, whether it's dryness, dullness, hyperpigmentation, breakouts, etc. I like to think of serum as my treatment step. So you can work in your acids, right? That's vitamin C, niacinamide, glycolic acid, all those fun ingredients that's really going to treat your skin. Some serums that I've been loving lately is the Pericome MD. This is the Hyaluronic Intensive Hydrating Serum My go-to for serums is hyaluronic. I know that my skin needs like hydration. Hyaluronic acid is just one of those trusted ingredients that I know is going to bring hydration back into my skin. So this one is great. It pairs well with the rest of my routine. And I also have this regenerative serum by 8th Day. This is a fun one because it's a blend of all these beautiful like peptides and some hydrating acids, and it's bringing so much like radiance into my skin that I've been really enjoying in the summertime. I think it's so beautiful. These two, I kind of switch them out. I like to do the regenerative serum at night so it can work through my skin while I'm asleep. And then I like the hyaluronic during the daytime. I think what can be helpful when you are navigating like all of these products is figuring out what your target concern is. That can help you narrow in on the ingredients that you're actually looking for. Because serums just do all types of stuff, and sometimes your skin don't need all that stuff, right? So if you know, hey, I need some hydration, boom, hyaluronic acid. Hey, I need some brightening, vitamin C. That's another trusted and popular ingredient. Okay, my favorite step. Next comes your moisturizer. I love moisturizer, and it's actually the first product that my skincare line will be launching with. It's a daily face cream. I don't believe you're able to make any transformative changes to your skin when it's dehydrated and dry. So moisturizer is very important in your skincare routine. I like to think of moisturizer as your skin's like comfort blanket. A good moisturizer is going to seal everything in. It's also going to support your skin barrier and keep hydration from escaping. It's important to choose a moisturizer that fits your skin type, right? Whether you're dry, combo, or oily. But most importantly, you want something barrier supportive with ingredients like ceramides, lipids, and antioxidants. I've created that. I have the lineup of some of my favorite moisturizers right now, and of course mine is there. My favorite type of moisturizer, and the one that I designed, it's lightweight but still rich and like luxurious and moisturizing. It has skin identical ingredients to really support the barrier like in the long term. And it's the only moisturizer that I use, just, you know, just saying. And then your last step is going to be your SPF. Always, 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 and in the morning. Your sunscreen is what's going to protect your skin from UV damage, aging, hyperpigmentation, that's a big one. If you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, if you're not using sunscreen, you're going to exacerbate that mark. So, I mean, you're gonna make it worse. It's gonna get darker if it doesn't have the right protection. Also, fun fact, signs of aging like dullness, sagging, fine lines, those are actually caused by external factors. And the UV, the sun, is a huge one. So if you're not protecting your skin, chances are those signs are gonna be coming earlier and earlier. So you must apply your sunscreen every single day. I love the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. This is actually a SPF 40, but I have a 50 somewhere around here. I like this one. This one's pretty clear, so suitable, should be, 2025, should be suitable for all skin tones, but it comes out clear like this, and look, I mean, it really is invisible. So those are your skincare steps: cleanse, tone, serum, moisturizer, SPF. Simple, right? Something to keep in mind, you know, just like rule of thumb, you should always apply your products, your skincare products, from thinnest to thickest. Cleanser, toner, those tend to be lighter. Serum, you're starting to get a little thicker. Moisturizer is the heavier product. Oil, optional at night. And if you're not using an oil in the daytime, you're gonna use the SPF. This is going to help your skin absorb the right ingredients at the right time without blocking anything. So, you know, you're actually able to get the most out of your products when you're applying them in the right order. So that's how you can start building out your skincare routine. Let me know in the comments where you are in your skincare journey. Are you just starting? Are you trying to rebuild? Maybe you're still figuring it out. Let me know in the comments, and that can actually help me, you know, put out more content that can be helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, which I just found out actually works. I don't think, you know, you hear it, like hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. But YouTube really notifies you. So if you don't want to miss a video, hit the notification bell and it's gonna come right to your phone. Maybe it's just me, but I just like figured that out. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my coffee and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.